Bella. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're brand new. I am so excited to have you here today. Be sure to stick around by subscribing, like this video, and follow my TikTok and my Instagram that are on the screen. In today's video, we are going to do a guide on how to start your sneaker collection. I've got some tips, I've got some tricks, just kind of the whole shebang. I'm gonna be going in depth on sneakers that I think are essentials and basically just how to start it out. So in the description box down below, I'm gonna link all of these sneakers for you guys to shop if you guys are interested. And if you guys want to see a sneaker collection, you're in luck because I just posted one. So be sure to watch that. I will link it down below in the description box and throw it up on the screen somehow if I'm able to. Be sure to watch that video. I talk about every single pair that I own, try on every single pair. So be sure to watch that because it's an insane amount, and you know, just feel free to watch. Without further ado, let's get started. I am so excited for this video. My goal of this video is just to make it as simple and as easy as possible for you guys to start up your sneaker collection. So I have different colorways, different styles, different trendy sneakers that I feel like are just something that is just should be in your collection. And I wish I knew this before I started my sneaker collection. I feel like it would have gone a lot smoother. So I'm just here to kind of help you. If you have like any more questions, let me know. I always chat with you guys in the description box or DM me on my Instagram. So let's first start with my tips on the sneaker world. My first tip is always try on the sneaker app. The app icon is somewhere on the screen. I will link it down below for you guys to download the app. It's not really the best to get sneakers, like it's a hit or miss, like it's never a guarantee. I've gotten like 2 or 3 pairs on the sneakers app, but it's just a hit or miss. But that is the most inexpensive way, I would say, to start your sneaker collection because you can get them for retail price instead of paying a resale price. My second step is if you want a really nice and super hyped up sneaker, I would make sure it is going to be an established shoe. For instance, my favorite and I think a really amazing established shoe in the sneaker world is the Jordan 4 Retro Off-White Sail. It's on the screen and I'll put an overlay of me trying them on for you guys. It is such an essential sneaker. It never goes out of style. People always want this sneaker and it's just something that is going to always be, you know, super hyped up. So I recommend this shoe a lot. It is pricey, but if you guys, you know, just save up, you're able to get this sneaker and, you know, you can have a sneaker that is super trendy and has a lot of value to it. And that can be with any sneaker. It doesn't have to be the price of the Off-White, you know, sale, but just in general, like if you have a sneaker that has a lot of value to it, it has like a lot of people wanting it, it's going to make sure that it always keeps all of your outfits super fresh and it's going to make them always look super good. My third tip is just to make sure that you understand that building a sneaker collection doesn't take one day, it doesn't take 1 week or 1 month. It's going to take a bit. You're going to want to, over time, collect sneakers that are new releases. You're always going to want new releases, and you're always going to want, you know, some sneakers that are hard to get, and you're going to want essential sneakers to keep in your closet. So just don't get frustrated if you want it all at once. We all want stuff at once, but you have to be super patient and just wait because you want some unique pairs of sneakers in your collection. So the first sneaker that I think is super essential is just going to be a plain white pair. That literally will go with everything. You can always pair the color white with any outfit, no matter if it's super colorful or super bland or just whatever. If it's super dressed up or super chill, you can always put a white sneaker with it and it makes it so much better. So the first sneaker I have is a Jordan 1 Low. This is just the all white colorway. So I personally don't like Air Forces, so I opted for this pair. Felt like it was more different and it wasn't as basic as an Air Force 1. So this is just gonna be a stark white shoe, which is super beautiful. Obviously it goes with everything. But another shoe I do recommend is going to be a shoe that is multi-dimensional, kind of white neutrals. So this Balenciaga is the track sneaker, I think. This has dimensional colors in it. So it's got that like kind of off-white yellow here at the bottom, and it's got some really beautiful stark white pieces like over here, reflective. And then it's got, you know, some like dingy white. This is also a sneaker that you can totally wear with anything. So it's up to you if you want stark white or something that has a multi-dimensional kind of colorway that's super monochromatic. And it's also up to you if you want more of an affordable pair or more of an expensive pair. Just depends on your style, you know, your taste, your preference, just kind of what you prefer. Black and white. This is such a beautiful contrast. I will forever be in awe with how beautiful black and white look together. I just like always think it's just like a striking combination. I don't know, is it just me or am I just crazy? Black and white is very versatile and it's just as essential as a white pair. So I always make sure I have a plain white pair and I have a black and white pair in my sneaker collection. I feel like a lot of you might be confused why I'm not talking about a plain black shoe. Don't get me wrong, I have 2 or 3 plain black shoes. You guys can see those in my sneaker collection. But I just feel like all black shoes just like bring down my outfit and they don't brighten it up, and typically I want something to contrast against it and to brighten up my outfit. So an all black shoe is not essential for me, could be essential for others, but in this video I just want to talk about something that is really essential to me and how I feel like I could, you know, help you and contribute to your sneaker collection and your kind of startup in this area. But you know, black pair is great. It just depends on your style and what you typically wear. I just don't ever really wear all black shoes unless I'm just wearing them with leggings and a big jacket and I'm just trying to be more incognito. I don't really pair black shoes with a nicer outfit just because I feel like sometimes it can be, like I said, too harsh and it can take away from the elements of the outfit. The style of any of these shoes does not matter. It can be a low top, which these are the Nike Black and White Dunk Low 2021 versions. These are going to be the Jordan 1 High Twists. And then you can also, if you want to have a designer pair, these are the Dior B23 like Converse kind of sneakers. This is just if you want, you know, more of a designer pair, but it literally does not matter. You can have a black and white pair that are the Vans Skate High sneakers if you want. It is up to you and your personal style. I'm just kind of talking about colorways and how I feel, but black and white, you guys, it's an essential, you must get it. If you follow me on Instagram, you can basically see that I love colorful sneakers. There's just something about it. Like I love, you know, having a neutral outfit and having the sneakers do all the talking. So of course you need a fun pair. That is like my third kind of sneaker that I recommend. So these are the Jordan 1 Tokyo Biohacks. They can totally be a super fun, multicolored sneaker if you want. I always feel like this adds so much like depth and so much life to my outfits. Like this would look so good with this even. Like even though it's white, this color like brings the whole thing out. So it can be multicolored or you can fully get one solid color. These are the Dunk Low Syracuses. I love these. I like wear these so much. I get so much use out of these sneakers and you wouldn't really think that you get use out of an orange or something of that nature, but when you have a fun pair of sneakers and when you shop for outfits, you remember that you have that fun pair. So you're more inclined to buy outfits and pieces that are unique and that will go with this, like this pair. So I think that's like a little fun like trick that your like mind plays on you. Like you wouldn't think to wear these often if you had them. Well, or personally for me, but when I shop, I think that I have these shoes and I remember it and then I'll buy pieces that go with the shoe. So then I do wear these more often. It's a little weird mind game that I play on myself, but that is just my, you know, little trick. But any sort of like colored shoe, something super bright, something super outstanding that will spaz up your outfit. Either of these are really great and I have a ton more that I recommend, but you can see that in my sneaker collection. And the last sneaker that I would say you could, you know, add into your sneaker collection to start it off would be a very unique pair that is unique, whether that is limited quantity or unique as in designer, or unique as in it is a second drop of the shoe, just kind of revamped in like a new version of it. For instance, these are the Court Purple 2.0s. This is a revamped version. I love these so insanely much. This is also another shoe that is not going out of style anytime soon. These just look so fresh with anything. Like if you have these, you know, like you're fresh, you're cool. I just really love these. I think that the tie-dye laces really just bring this whole shoe together. I love the white toe box. I just love everything about this shoe and I really do feel like they're super unique and they have a lot of value to them. And another pair that I really like that is something that I wasn't influenced by like from anybody or anybody in general. It was just something that I saw and I thought that this would go really well in my sneaker collection are these Gucci Ryton glitter sneakers. I love these so much. I have a few pair of the Ryton versions from Gucci and they're just my favorite. Like they're such a comfortable shoe, but these have glitter on them. I think it's like Swarovski dust. I don't know, something of that nature. Maybe I'm just saying that. But I love these. I think they're super unique. They definitely are simple, but they make a statement with the wording and the color of it. So I don't know, I get a lot of use out of these. I really feel like if you have a few pair of neutral shoes, you know, a bright and colorful one, and then a super like limited edition, unique one that's not going out of style, it can really make it look like you have a never-ending sneaker collection. And this has to do with rotation of your sneakers. I try my best, like especially in Instagram photos, like outfits, I try my best to not wear the same sneaker within like 3, 4, 5 outfits, just for, you know, versatility wise and to make it look like I have like a huge rotation. And you can do that exact same thing. Whether you have 3 pairs or 300 pairs, you can just rotate your sneakers, wear them with different outfits, go out of the box in styling them, and it will make it look like you have an insane amount of sneakers. It's all about just not overwearing them altogether. Okay guys, I feel like those are all my tips and tricks and all that fun stuff on how to start a sneaker collection. I feel like I possibly could go more in depth with this, but if you guys want a part 2, I'll be more than happy to do that. Let me know. Like I said, all of these sneakers are going to be down below for you guys to shop if you guys are interested. And I'll link other pairs as well if you guys are interested in any of these. Just remember, it takes time, and I really think that following a guide of, just essential pairs to start with is super good and something that I wish I had when I started my huge collection. Okay, my little quote of today is, "You're over here doubting yourself while so many people are afraid of your potential." Mind blowing. While you're over here in this corner self-doubting and just really just not being okay with how you're actually doing in life, people are out here scared of your potential. They see that in you, so why don't you see it in yourself? A lot of my friends are like, "Ugh, I feel like I'm not doing enough, all of this. And I'm like, I see so much in you. I see light. I see just so much potential, and I feel like we don't see our potential as humans and how much we could accomplish in life, yet other people are sitting in this corner and they're scared of how much they think that we could do. So let's live up to what they think about us in that sense of we can conquer anything we want to. Stop doubting yourself when you have people in the other corner that are scared to see what you're going to become, because they know what you're going to become. They're jealous of it. Don't let them project anything bad onto you, because you can do anything you set your mind to, because you're capable, you're able, you're beautiful. I absolutely love you guys so much. I hope this video helped you, and like I said, if you guys want a part 2, hit me up, let me know, flood the comments, and I will hopefully see you guys in my very next video, which is very exciting if I do say so myself. Love you guys. Bye.